Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I had a request to do a video about TSNP. I've heard about TSNP and the HUMBL Pay, the mobile app, but I just never put two and two together, and so here I am researching it, and it's kind of interesting. So here we are. Tesoro Enterprises Incorporated, ticker TSNP. As you can see right now, it's at $1.38, and you can kind of see what it's done here over the last, we'll look at the last month. You could have got in here on January 7th at 15 cents, and it just keeps climbing up, and you can see the volume increasing as well. So a lot of people have been trading this one, and kind of took a dip here. And ever since the 29th, it's just been on a skyrocket up. And so I started researching this one, and it kind of got me wondering about it. So as you can see here, shareholders have seen 150% gain since Tesoro announced it would rebrand itself as HUMBL and focus on crypto. And so what's next? So I got a bunch of information to go over here. The HUMBL mobile app delivers borderless transactions by integrating mobile currencies, payment methods, banks, blockchain, and financial services provided into a one-click for the customer. I've kind of went over a little bit over blockchain on my channel, covered, I think it was Mara and BTBT. Haven't really got into blockchain a whole lot. I did buy some Dogecoin today, so I might be making a video about that later. But back to HUMBL Pay. It's a mobile app, delivers borderless transactions by integrating multiple currencies, payment methods, bank, blockchain, and financial services providers into one click for the customer. You can see HUMBL has the potential to become not only the next Venmo or Zelle. I've used Zelle in the past, but also the next PayPal, and that's what really caught my attention. If you follow PayPal at all, I believe that's over a $200 stock right now. It's had some major growth in the last year, if not 2 years. The HUMBL mobile app delivers borderless transactions by integrating multiple currencies, payment methods, banks, and financial services providers into a one-click for the customers. So it looks like trying to make it as easy as possible. What does HUMBL do? HUMBL is designed to work across banks, borders, and currencies. The company will be focused on working with targeted verticals such as governments, wireless, banks, and merchants, with existing customer bases who are looking to go digital with their money. So the more I read about this, this could be a huge opportunity here. Global mobile payment market size to grow 12.06 trillion by 2027 at 30.1% CAGR. Increase in penetration of smartphones across the globe and rise in the commerce industry in emerging countries are the major factors driving the growth of the mobile payment market. By transaction mode, the mobile web payments segment held the major share in 2019. By region, on the other hand, Asia Pacific would remain lucrative throughout the forecast period. This is on Insider Financial. We didn't build HUMBL for the 450 million digital customers using Apple Pay, but for the 7 billion, with a B as in boy, people who money has a totally different set of global pathways, access points, and cost structures, according to the CEO, HUMBL Brian Foote. HUMBL Financial launches Block ETX products in over 100 countries. And that's another huge catalyst. If they're already in 100 countries, Products in over 100 countries. This is just dated on the 2nd tier of February. TSNP will soon be renamed HUMBL, announced today the product launch of its block exchange traded index lineup in over 100 countries across North America, Latin America, Asia, Middle East, Africa, and Caribbean. And you can see all of the this kind of goes into a little bit more information on the block ETX. And so kind of an interesting company here. I just started researching it, and going to have to look into it a little bit more. But this shows the products are now available to customers, and this lists all the countries here. And I mean, it's just all over the place. So lots of potential here I can see the more I research it. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Do your own due diligence and research it for yourself. I'm just pointing out the facts, and I was asked by a subscriber to do a video about it, so here we are. HUMBL is a new Web3 platform that connects customers and merchants in the digital economy. Its core product lines are the HUMBL mobile app, HUMBL Marketplace, and HUMBL Financial, which are being architected to work seamlessly across one HUMBL platform for consumers and merchants. The HUMBL mobile app and HUMBL web platform will deliver more seamless global transactions by integrating mobile or multiple currencies, payment methods, and financial services into reduce clicks for the customer. Beyond primary US-only mobile wallet providers such as Zelle and Venmo. HUMBL financial products are not currently available to customers in the United States, Afghanistan, Bosnia, and the following. What's going on with blockchain play Tesoro Enterprises? And this is dated, as you can see, on the 5th. On Tuesday, Tesoro announced its plans to move into blockchain trading markets, with shares already up almost 200%. Penny stock investors will likely see more gains as Wall Street punters rush in. And this just kind of goes over some other information here. It just says it's not in the faint-hearted. Just a month ago, Tesoro Enterprise was an unknown penny stock that claimed to focus on delivery of construction materials for commercial and residential marketplaces. 50% profit margin. And so it looks like the management had a brilliant idea. After merging with HUMBL in December, the company launched a press release last Tuesday, renaming itself HUMBL Financial and claiming to create a way for investors to invest in ETF-styled blockchain technology. Shares shot up from 40 cents to $1.40. By the end of the week, some might rightly wonder if it's a pump and dump. And so it just talks a little bit more here about the ETFs. Feel free to pause and read that for yourself. I've kind of talked a little bit about Mara in the past and Riot on some of my other videos. Like I said, I totally haven't gotten into Bitcoin like a lot of people out there have. And again, this is on Yahoo Finance. I have some more information to go over here. And it just talks about hitting new highs. If you're looking for stocks that have managed to record significant gains over the past couple of months or so, you could consider having a look at Tesoro Enterprises, TSNP stock. Major triggers: the company, which is all set to be renamed HUMBL, Incorporated, the following its merger, has seen its stock rally as much as 2,100% since the middle of November last year. So, kind of missed this one, but still might be a play. It's hard to say. Not much here on tip ranks, probably again because it's a penny stock, but there's lots of talk here about it on Reddit. Like I said, I've heard about this ticker and I've heard of HUMBL. I just I never really looked at it too close up until tonight, researching this one because I was asked to do a video about it, but it's got me interested in it now, so looks like a lot of people are trading it. I mean, there's lots of talk here about it, and just in the last 2 days. This BLSP is an interesting one as well. I did a video just a couple days ago about that one. So, but that's about all the information that I have on TSNP, HUMBL. If you have this one, it would be nice to know if you could leave me a comment and let me know what your cost basis is and how many shares you have. That would be really interesting. And like I said, I'm going to be watching this one and see what it does tomorrow. I've been kind of watching Doge, and this one has had a pretty good run up here in the last 5 days. So it went from about 40 cents up to, it did go up over $1, so just in the last 5 days. So definitely something to watch. Again, with this one, since it's a penny stock, I would definitely be careful. And as you can see, it's over the counter, so you won't be able to trade this on Robinhood. TD Ameritrade's going to charge you a commission to trade OTCs. So I recommend going to Fidelity if you want to get around paying a commission. But be careful with this one. It's a penny stock. It could come crashing down. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. If you haven't hit that like button yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you're notified of my other videos coming out. I usually do about 2 to 3 per day. So just wanted to do a quick video on TSNP. And happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.